Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to make your Meta Ray-Bans the best battery life possible because they only gave us about 0 seconds of battery life listening to Kid Cudi Man on the Moon 3 album. You already know what it is. All right, so first and foremost, please make sure you're on the Meta app. And once you're in the Meta app, we're going to go through all the settings here. Okay, they don't have to be on, but make sure your glasses is on so you can see all the settings that we're about to do right now. Okay. So first things first, you're gonna go on the top right here. You're gonna hit the settings, and you're gonna turn off full duplex demo. Okay, the natural voice thing is okay, but it's not really needed. I'm not gonna lie. Meta AI is not that. I mean, it's cool, but Meta AI is not that good. As in, like, I don't know. I mean, you could keep it on, but this does help the battery life if it's out of full duplex demo mode, because it's not really being extra. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, turn that off. Okay. Okay. So after we did that, that's off there. When you start with voice, okay, make sure that's off because every time you open the Meta AI app, you don't need that on. Okay. You don't need to start with voice. Okay. So have that off. That saves battery there. Background conversations. So basically turning that off as well. So basically every time you want Meta AI to talk to you, you would have to manually turn it on. And for me, really, I think that's better because, like I said, Meta AI is not better than any other AI assistant that I use. So I'm gonna just turn it off there. Maybe once it gets better and the battery life can actually handle me listening to music and handling Meta AI at the same time, then I would do so. All right. So once we do that, we'll turn this off here. All right, and then we're gonna go to the bottom of the top right again. Okay, and then you're gonna go to your device settings, your Wearfare, up there. Okay, you're gonna go to updates. You're gonna make sure that you have all of your updates. That makes sure that you have maximum battery there, as they are tweaking the battery settings for. I mean the full performance of the glasses. Then you're gonna go to general. Okay, and then you're gonna make sure that all those are good there. All right, and then you're gonna go to Meta AI. Okay, and then you can make sure this is good. So it says that your wake up sound, your glasses will make a sound after you say "Hey Meta" or "Okay Meta." Okay, you don't. Shut up. Okay, sorry, hold up. All right, freaking Meta just answered when I said that. My fault. It's tweaking. Okay, so if you don't want the wake up sound that just adds extra battery consumption for you, you can turn that off as well. Um, and yeah, so we'll continue on here. Oh, and I mean, I guess if you wanted to turn off those other two as well, just to increase the battery life, you can, but it's up to you. Like I said, the least responsive it has to wait because it's waiting for you. So that's why it's running in the background continuously. It's waiting for you to say it so it can be, more on point. But it's optional. So yeah, turn both of those off there, or yeah, go back out of there. You go to communication, announce calls, answer who's contacting you. So you can just turn that off as well, so it doesn't change for battery life. All right, you can take the apps, media. You can click on media here. You can go to video settings, and depending on the video setting, once again determines how long it'll take to record the video, which that means will also increase battery life if you change it to 1 minute. 3 minutes will increase the battery life because the longer it records, the shorter the battery life will be. So 1 minute will be better. um, Auto import while charging. So that's another thing. While it's importing, the more work your glasses has to put in, the more battery life it has to do. So if you turn that off, will be better. But you can keep that on since it's charging, so your batteries be charging, so you don't need that as well. Okay, we have audio here. Auto pause. So it helps if it auto pauses, of course, so it doesn't continuously run the audio in the background. Um, Adaptive volume. You could. I don't think that the volume doesn't have a function. It doesn't have a factor into the battery life here. So you're good there. So you can turn it off. The only thing that you would change is the auto pause. Auto pause is of course, to save battery if you do take your glasses off. LED light notification. We keep that on low here. Low is probably the best. Off would probably be better, but that's not an option. Okay, wear detection. Yeah, so you could turn that off. That will, well, you could turn it on to save it, to make sure. So if it stays on, that means it's always going to detect it, and every time it detects, your battery will be used again. So if you turn it off, of course, there's no battery. Gestures, your gestures here. Um, these don't really do anything, but like if it, well, actually it does. So if you have Meta AI on, that means if you tap it, it's going to do battery life. Okay, so if you do none, then it'll be better. You know what I'm saying? So if you do none, okay, 3 tap hold, you do none again, it'll be the same. So you'll have to do it manually again. But that's give or take. I know I'm stripping every single feature that you want from these glasses, right? So yeah, so you can turn it off and on for that. But if you have it off, then you already know what it is. Okay. Yeah, let's go down here. Okay, microphone troubleshooting, microphone adjustment. That doesn't really play a part in this either. Glasses privacy doesn't do anything. Security doesn't do anything. Detailed responses. You can enable detailed responses, but yet again, detailed responses makes it more harder for your battery to last longer. Just saying. And yeah, as of right now, that's about it. There is notifications. The more notifications your phone, I mean, your glasses have to produce to you, the more your battery, of course, if they're talking, you know what I'm saying? If it talks to you, the more your battery life will be lost again. But yeah, so we'll back out of this. We'll go back to your top right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any other questions, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.